silver cave, and she the golden child. All through her happy infant days, she wore the winning smile. She loved the colors nature gave, but sensitive and shy. She suffered from the thoughtlessness of some at junior high. So music was her salvation. She practiced all the while and breathed new life into sad songs in unique, wondrous style. And harmony came naturally with shades of dark and light. So with her painting and her art, she kept her spirit bright. In the valley of the Nightingales, by peaceful water there, that sylvan voice of honeyed cream still dances in the air. Gifted by the shooting star, with heart and mind so pure, the softest spoken blue shelters too fragile to endure. Now morphine laced to ease her pain and carried to her chair, she sang out, what a wonderful world, and left pure magic there. Adored by friends and family, on her last performed goodbye. She graced the notes with perfect pitch and heard her angels cry. She never got the little house dreamed of by ocean's roar. She never sang out to the seas from treasured golden shore. Perhaps a choir out of sight down some yellow brick road is led by evil, clothed in white, in Toto's fields of coal. In the valley of the Nightingales, by peaceful water there, that silver voice of honeyed cream still dances in the air. Gifted by the shooting star, with heart and mind so pure, the softest spoken blue shelters too fragile to endure. Thank you.